Hello students, in today's class you will learn about human blood groups.
Blood is the main vehicle for metabolic communication between the organs of the body. It helps in transportation of nutrients from small intestine to liver and other organs. Blood also helps in transporting oxygen from lungs to tissues.
Carl Landsteiner was the first person who identified human blood groups in 1900. And these blood groups are differentiated by the presence of a protein that is called as antigen. According to Carl Landsteiner, in human beings, 4 blood groups are mainly present based on the presence of antigens. That is blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. All these 4 blood groups are differentiated on the presence of a special type of antigen on the surface of RBC cells. So first see about blood group A. A human blood group is considered or called as blood group A if the antigen A, antigen means protein, if the antigen A is present on the surface of RBC cells. In the same way, the blood group will be considered as B if the antigen B is present on RBC cells. In the same way, AB if both A and B antigens are present. And in blood group O, when there is no antigens are present on the surface of RBC cells. A can donate.
Blood group A can be given to a person with
Blood group
A and
AB, whereas blood group B can be given to a person who has blood group B and AB, and blood group AB
can only be given to
AB group, and blood group O can be
given
to all groups. Hence, a person with blood group O is called as universal donor, because blood group O has no antigens. So, it is considered as universal donor. It means blood group O can be given to AB also, B also and A also. Whereas AB is considered as universal recipient, because the person with AB blood group can take blood from A also, B also and O also, because it has A and B, both antigens are present there.
And when the transfer of blood from a healthy person to another person is called blood transfusion. And for blood transfusion, during blood transfusion, certain precautions must be observed. That is, the person who is giving the blood is called as donor,
and the person who is receiving is called recipient. So the donor blood group must match with the recipient blood group. The second precaution we should take care, that is the fresh needles always should be used. And the last is the donor blood group should be tested for, especially for HIV test. For more detail, just go through your textbook. Today's homework, question number 1, give a brief about human blood groups. Question number 2, why O blood group is called as universal donor. Question number 3, why AB blood group is called as universal acceptor. Thank you.